Features of Python. Easy to code. It is very easy to write programs in Python as compared to other high-level programming languages. This is because the language used to write Python codes is similar to the English language. Open source language. Python is a free and open source programming language. An open source language is one which can be easily improved and distributed by anyone. You can download Python free of cost and use it on any operating system such as Windows, Mac, or Linux. Object-oriented. Python has an object-oriented approach. This means that the programs are designed using objects and classes that interact with each other. Integrated and extensible language. We can easily integrate Python with other languages such as C, C++. We can also write and compile a Python code in C or C++. Interpreted language. The code you create in Python is executed line by line, which makes it easy to correct any errors. On execution, a Python code is immediately converted into an intermediate form. This is known as bytecode. The bytecode makes it easier to execute or run the code in future. Dynamically typed language. Python is a dynamically typed language. This means that you do not need to declare the type of variables in advance. For example, if you write a is equal to 15, you do not need to specify the variable a as an integer or string.